Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to buy Spotify Premium with an Apple gift card. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to go to your account settings. Scroll down and tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can scan the code on the back of your Apple gift card or enter it manually. Enter the code and your Apple gift card balance will be added to your account. Open the Spotify app and go to the Premium tab. Select Get Spotify Premium and choose the subscription plan that works best for you. When it asks for a payment method, choose Apple Pay and confirm your purchase. Your Apple gift card balance will be used to pay for the subscription. And that's it. You are now ready to enjoy Spotify Premium using your Apple gift card. Thanks for watching.